This is a silent movie, so I can talk as much as I want, and it won't matter. Woo! That sounds like the count. One elephant.
Filming, go. All right, where's the phone? Motherfucker. Out of my pocket. Okay, I better just leave then. I'm really pissed now. Go, Josh, go. I need to follow where the thief went.
The one thing we have in common with the present is we still call it the present, even though it's the future. What do you call the present? We call...
Go.
Hungry. Hungrier.
Okay, Josh, now.
Along.
Go.
We're taking that from me.
Go, grab. And now run upstairs, run upstairs! You stay out, you're fine. Go.
I'll get you! I'll get you! Come back here! Oi!
Go.
Sorry. Conversing with your phone. Where's my phone? Down, then you can turn the